Back again. It's a featured channel. It's a shout out, shout out, shout out. Give it up for I Am Content. Yay! She's a very, very pretty lady and she comes to our channel all the time. She's one really, really big and honorary supporter of Drop the Link Day. She has made a lot of amazing videos about Drop the Link Day. She gets to support us each and every time that she gets an opportunity. I need you all to raid her channel. Let the subscriptions intensify. Thank you so much, I'm Content, for being a great supporter. We love you so very much and we hope that this is gonna work out great for you. Yes, we can see she has her Twitter handle, IG, email, and every little detail down there. What does she do? She's a multidimensional person and she likes TV, movies, books, plays, politics, religion. I mean, she's into everything. So please get to her channel, subscribe. I'm going to be putting the link in the comment section and in the description box. She has every detail right here. Get to her and you'll be glad you did. Thank you once again, I'm Content. I always say, unreal inspiration, I love you so very much, but God loves you way, way more. Bye-bye.